Hi guys, it's Maya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a video that I feel like I've been pushing off for a long time, but I feel like it's about time for me to get a grip of my life. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know I love like health and fitness and stuff like that, but for a period of time, I'm not gonna lie, I was really on a roll. I was doing good. I'm sorry, I've been sick for the past few weeks. Ignore my voice. I would work out every single day. I would eat super clean, super healthy, and over time I've lost that, and it's always happened to me. I've always gone 4 months strong and then like I'll die off and I'll go back on the health kick, and it's just like a back and forth. The overall point of this is that I want to get back into my health kick, hoping that this will just kickstart it all and back up on my channel. Today we are gonna make myself feel better, okay? It's day one. This may not go anywhere. I don't know what this is gonna do at all. I'm gonna do a few things to get back in my old habits that I used to do and hopefully motivate me a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm going to be eating in a day. I'm gonna bring you guys along for my workouts. I'm also gonna be meal planning, and I feel like that's something I used to do all the time that helped me so much. It's gonna be a productive day, hopefully. So let's get started. This is gonna be my little gym outfit for today. Lululemon leggings, Lululemon top, and a Nike sports bra. You guys know I always drink tons of water. That is something I never ever stop doing. Water is so good for you, and whether or not you're working out every day or you're sitting on your phone in your room every day, drinking water is always so good for you, and I will never stop doing that. I can never go anywhere without my water, and it really helps anywhere from deep bloating, making yourself feel better, giving yourself energy, filling yourself up instead of like sitting around and eating all the time. It's so good. I love smoothies and I love oatmeal. Those are like the top two things I make for breakfast. I did frozen fruit, half a banana, almond milk for some protein, even though I don't even think there was that much protein in there. I did a ton of chia seeds and a ton of hemp seeds because those are good protein. Some spinach. And I don't even taste the spinach in here. And sometimes if I'm feeling like a little risque, I'll put in some kale, but that's a big step for me. You can be a healthy vegan or you could be a junk food vegan. People think that if you go vegan, you're gonna lose a lot of weight and it's unhealthy. But there's a complete difference between the types of vegans out there, and I have been both of the vegans, okay? There's been times where I've been the healthiest vegan ever and I only eat pretty much all raw fruits and vegetables, and there's a part of me, which is just recently, which is now, where I've been like a very unhealthy vegan. And that means going to Whole Foods and buying all the typical non-vegan vegan substitutes like pizza, mac and cheese, cookies, ice cream. And I just feel kind of disappointed in a way because I was doing so good and I was so happy with myself, and then I got to a point where I just like didn't care anymore. And I treated myself like so badly. Not myself, but just like my body so badly. And you have to have a good relationship with food, and for the longest time I didn't have that. And I can make a whole video on this. Now we're moving on to step 2 or 3. I don't really know where we are in this video. You guys know I was religious about my little workout planning thing. I made schedules for months. It goes from the beginning of the month for the end of the month. If I worked out that day, I wrote that down. For me, I'm such a planner and I'm such like a visual person. I have to see it down on paper. It also kept me motivated, and it told me like, hey, do you want to keep this box blank and say that you did nothing for the day, or do you want to go on a run and write down that you exercised or, you know, worked out for the day? You know what inspired me to do this was watching Olivia Vargas, watching her video that she just posted about this whole subject. Let's make our little planner thing. So I just finished my first little fitness plan calendar. So here it is. I accidentally made way too many squares, so I just split it up between here and then like over a month from now, hoping to write in this if I worked out that day. I'm gonna go downstairs and start meal prepping. I planned out a few ideas. So I'm back up in my room and I just got done meal prepping. That took me about an hour and a half. Made all my dinners and lunches for the rest of the week. Had smoothies for breakfast. And for lunch, I made mixed vegetable stir fry kind of thing. It has potatoes, broccoli, cauliflower, asparagus, Brussels sprouts. For dinner, I made a huge bowl of like lettuce. Made that as a salad, and then I made corn, black beans, and peas. A mix of that I'm gonna put on top of my salad and hopefully avocado. I have some homework and stuff I wanna get done, and then I need to go to the gym. And I keep telling myself I'm gonna go to the gym, but then I just keep pushing it off. I'm here at the gym. It is 12:53, so almost 1 o'clock. I have an hour and 10 minutes to work out, so I'm gonna use that, and then after that I have to go to work.
For some time, can't stop staring at those ocean eyes, burning cities and napalm skies, 15 flares in.
I finished my workout. That was actually pretty good. I was in there for a little over about maybe like an hour and 15 minutes. I feel really good, so hopefully tomorrow will be good too. I can like feel myself getting sore, and I'm also like really tired. I had dinner or like lunch at like 4. I had just a salad, the thing that I like pre-made for like lunches this week. If you guys are interested in more what I eat in a days or vegan videos or cooking videos, anything like that, please let me know down in the comments down below, because I know you guys used to really like these videos, and then I stopped doing them. I would love to bring them back if you guys want to see them. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I feel good. I feel sore, but it's good. I love you guys, and make sure to follow me on all my social medias down below, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.